the motor. Na Igbo eba. You put to her. You collect woto. Nnamdi Kanu said it. Now, here we hear Nnamdi Kanu he were ESN and they blackmailed the ESN.
Bala made it Tinubu. Baba they sleep. Tinubu wake up now. Baba Tinubu they sleep.
This government, onye Yoruba nyere commander forest guard, kere ugbo kere ime ọhịa kere forest nọ n'ụzọ ụwa n'ọma.
Tinubu allow Sunday Igbo to actually go out and fish out these Fulani bandits or whatever in the bush. Allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go and fish out bandits in their bush.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your times or your location and wherever you are watching us from. Today being the 6th day of June 2026, the team of Magnetic Gist TV is bringing this news live and direct to you. Dear friends, no be small thing, know where they happen at the moment. I'm telling you, Nonso Nkwa, there's Fulani herdsmen to put body for Southeast. To put body, because if they put body, they go collect a woto from Eastern Security Network, because Eastern Security Network are already on the ground doing their job. They are giving Fulani herdsmen, Fulani bandits, woto in an Igbo. Now Nonso Nkwa is asking them to come down to East if they get boss, that they should come down to East. He already said that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu won the Southwest. Now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should know for mano warning, but na ha ego yanti hafta Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no bo nyiro ha mano mesgu ugbo ha we funanya funa Mazi Nnamdi Kanu abrozo nyiro ha. That's why some of them now are now protesting, saying that their brother Tinubu should release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, while the rest of them are now sharing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's prophecy, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu broadcast on social media, because that is exactly what is trending right now at the moment. TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp, many places, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu message concerning Fulani herdsmen taking over Southwest. That is what is trending right now.
Odema Igbo Chineke kalamacho ezima puliche Igbo de sarejim na kaneba hin ugbu a na enweta onwegu. On a very quick one, na chiba n'ọzọ nketa. Nnamdi Kanu saw the future. Nnamdi Kanu, the man that saw tomorrow. Nnamdi Kanu, the man that started shouting about this insecurity caused by bandits, caused by terrorists. Nnamdi Kanu kurieku. And recently, everybody shared a video Nnamdi Kanu, the video 7, 8, 9 years ago, you know, about Ihemege today in Nigeria. The man saw the future. The man saw tomorrow. That even the Southwest will receive it hot. He said it. And today, even the Yoruba is shocked that their own children and students could be abducted and kept inside the bush. The Yoruba people are shocked. They never believed it. They never believed that now let me tell you the truth. The truth of the matter in Nigeria is that these politics are playing in Nigeria, these tribal politics, ethnic politics are playing in Nigeria. Some people play here in the sense that you know, they cannot attack these people. They cannot talk against these people. Now share power in Nigeria. Then I knew Undi or the class citizens in Nigeria. Onwe he basara anyi na politics in Nigeria. Onwe he basara anyi in Nigeria. Anya bakwana hankete. Anya ba hankete. Then unde Yoruba ha na eme ka agasira ha na ndi ugwu de na mma. When we know that in the actual sense, foul. So all those things were happening in the north. Ole hende Yoruba mega. They were silent. They were keeping silent. when terrorists were ravaging the north, when they used Boko Haram to blackmail the government of Goodluck Jonathan, they did nothing. In fact, mgbe Boko Haram tọrọ ụmụ Chibok na Bronu 2014, during Jonathan's regime, Jonathan made sure that the then Chief of Army Staff, General Iyejirika, used every arsenal in his disposition and his position to annihilate Boko Haram. But guess what? The northern leaders were crying foul. Yoruba leaders in APC were crying foul. They were saying, do not use the force of Boko Haram. The Northerners were saying, they are their brothers, their prodigal sons, Ndega Heroes. They will come back later. Do not use the force. Abala Hanike, Emelahi Vedi, Ebulaho, they will return. Haga Heroes. They went astray. They are, they will come back. They were using every blackmail against Jonathan. They were using every blackmail so that Jonathan will not annihilate Boko Haram. Because they created it. And what were the Yoruba politicians doing when Boko Haram started in Nigeria? Because they belong to APC. Because they belong to the northern leaders that belong to APC. They were not doing anything about it. They were shouting, foul, 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 because it was Goodluck Jonathan or because it was PDP. Today, that small child they have nurtured with milk has grown into an oversized adult that needed something more than milk. And who are the people bearing the brunt? The North, the Southwest. Problem I want to know about and that is why this issue of insecurity will continue to linger. Because the leaders lack the political will. Because the leaders are complicit. Because the leaders are involved. And today, it is ravaging the North. Today, it is ravaging the Southwest. And the Southwest never believed that Boko Haram will penetrate their region. The Southwest never believed that the bandits will penetrate their region. They never believed it. Today, it is happening. They kept quiet for so long. They were so complicit for so long. They were interested in politics than interested in protecting their forest. They were interested in politics than marshalling out policies that will bring about a cogent reaction to insecurity. Kwara, almost every day. Oyo, Ogun, Ondo, all these areas have been invaded. Not just by Boko Haram, but by bandits. Now, Igbo. Ndara bata beba. Obona ha bata beo. Mana onwere haji style na abata. Ndugu. All these bandits ji style na abata. They disguise as in Okada. They disguise as in na imbo. They disguise as in na akwa ndedwadwa. They disguise as headers. Otu hasha abata na southeast. But do you know what? They cannot invade the southeast as they are invading the southwest. Makadechere hechebe. Aichere heche here. Are we hearing like na social media? Obroni be ready. Every community when I hear the ready. Every community when a bush, when a forest is ready. See, the truth, if not for the war of 1967 to 1970, Kahasia Wakbo Southwest, Kahakarisha Wakbo Southeast. In fact, because of the war, to even Wakbola rivers. Because of that war, to to even cross over to Cross River, or even Akwa Ibom, or to do that, or even Delta. Because this region are waiting for them. They can only operate in the north and operate in their twin brother, the southwest. They can't come down here. See, the truth and the only truth in Nigeria would that in the Chigamonage are the people causing this insecurity. When they tell you that they cannot get a bandit that has been making videos, a bandit that has been sharing money on social media, a bandit that can go live, brandishing guns, brandishing AK-49, brandishing bombs, brandishing ammunitions. When they tell you they cannot get such a bandit, such a terrorist, my brother, know that they are involved. I am telling you. Harris and Wami issue have a technology that can track these kidnappers. Individual have a technology that can track these people point blank. Government doesn't have it. Police doesn't have it. Military doesn't have it. DSS If Harrison can track kidnappers with the technology, as if they know that DSS are the way of that technology, can they bring themselves to Sudan and call Harrison and say, Mune, please, Olebi Shirizutai Heke, Mbakushiera Ani, so that the Koro get it unfair? Can they do that? They can. So Nigerian government can buy that technology 1 million times. Every security officer in Nigeria, if Nigeria wants, can have that technology one by one. But do you know why they cannot go for that technology? Because Aka had there. Aka had the kidnapping and abductions and insecurity in this country. Aka had there, they cannot go for it. And you are telling me that this insecurity will stop? Ha! Insecurity Nigeria where be. Manobi de Monton, na libre eba. You put to head, you collect woto. You put to head, you collect. Nnamdi Kanu said it. Now, here we hear Nnamdi Kanu hiwe ESN, and they blackmailed the ESN. Now, they are not to oh, here when I live today with ESN. Nnamdi Kanu saw the future and established ESN. Now, Sunday Boho is now forming his own security network to penetrate the forest of Yoruba land. Here we had Nnamdi Kanu many years ago by forming ESN. But what did the government do? Blackmail. Propaganda. So what am I saying? Apart from every Igbo man, protect your home front. Every Igbo man, protect your home front. I have said it, and I will continue to say it, that we are not running away from our fatherland. And nobody can make us IDPs in our fatherland. Nobody. Protect your home front. Every community should have a different youth vigilante. Or how we now we more here. Eke. No numara. Nampu. Ndekete Monday, ndekete Tuesday, ndekete Wednesday. And now we more here when every community, we more here when in a community, you know, that is the only place they can operate. Forest. Bushes. That is the only place they can operate. A stitch in time saves 9. Orukwa mandi banyo di ready. We are ready. ada nwụrụ dike n'aka mberede nyiri dike mana mberede ka eji ama dike mana mbọsị amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibie Nnamdi Kanu kwuru ihe na mbụ o mewego taa onye nwere ntị ya nọrọ chekwa your home front chekwa ezinụlọ gị ọ bụrụ na ị nweghị mma jee zụọ alaghala mma mụọ ya dowe zụọ alaghala mma nwere nke ntakịrị ndị ka small ihe a ya ezukwa maga ya na akpa ijewe ọgịga ebe ọkada hụta na-abụ ọkada ha na Owere nga ha achọ izuzu buru gị gaa ebe ọzọ ga-echokuo ya. That is security and that is self-defense. Amami na-aghọta ebe m na-eje anya saa otu ha bara Yoruba now ha ga-abatakwa Bini shi Bini batawa Asaba shiza batawa Anambra ọ na-abatazi Imo a na-eshizi ya na-aba Abịa mana anyị dị ready anyị dị njikere onye tinye isi oburu ndewono.
So, Biafrans, Lagos is even taken. Lagos is in, oh my God. Look at Badagry, what is happening in Badagry. Now, they also be at that Badagry. I don't actually know what they came there to do. Over 500 motorcycles, they came with butcher weapons, hygiene, sham hygiene. That is why the security here in this Badagry are searching them. Guys, I'm not a benda shapota. I don't really know a benda shapota. In the one day Nigeria called again a day.
Coming, look at this over there. Coming to have fun. I have a serious experience inside where they are pressing the yash and breast of our ladies. Because they have not seen things like this before. We have to tighten security. Kudos to the security men on the gate here. They are really doing fantastic work. Kudos to them. If not for them, if they go in with all these arms, who knows what will have happened inside the pitch. Please, we need to take proactive. Look at this. Look at this. This is that guy. Look at the mouth. Look at it. Look at the shams. We have shams there. Lagos is a state under serious siege. The security here are even overwhelmed. They are trying, but they are overwhelmed. With more security on days like this. Look at them. See their bike. The machine. Southern Beach. It's massive.
Ya kamata wallahi. Allah ya ƙara kare.
Ba zan da za su gamu wallahi. Haka zan fita ganin su. Duk sun kabu da ido ba su ganin mu wallahi.
Muna ganin su da barka ya kai duk ya kudi ba ku gani. Na nan da rage ba
daga Sokoto ya fito. Daga sai da kosu nan kaji jiga lemo
ba su ba kayan su wallahi.
Ya ce gumu da tsaya. Sai suka ce a to su guru su da
nan taron nan.
Biafrans, in this video you can see that the Biafran Liberation Army are in one of their camps mocking Tinubu. This is their monkey they have in their camp, and they are calling that monkey the Tinubu, saying that Tinubu is sleeping, that Tinubu is sleeping.
Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Baba dey sleep. Tinubu wake up now. Baba Tinubu dey sleep. Tinubu wake up now. Tinubu don't fuck up. Baba dey sleep.
You know, go repair Nigeria.
Baba don't spoil Nigeria finish, they sleep.
Go repair Nigeria.
See Tinubu dey sleep. Baba Tinubu wake up now. Baba wake up. Baba wake up now, Baba. Tinubu dey
Go
sleep.
repair Nigeria.
Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Okay, they sleep, Abi. He dey sleep. Tinubu wake, Tinubu dey sleep. See Tinubu wake up now. Tinubu, me look on my turn be this, my turn.
Our brother here, Kennedy, is saying something that makes sense. Kennedy said that Tinubu should allow Igbo to go into the bush and clear out the Fulani herdsmen, the bandits that are in southwest bush. He should also allow Mazen Nandekalo to go into the Igbo bush, Biafran bush, and clear away all these bandits in our bush. But will Tinubu listen to him? That is the question.
Tinubu Tinubu, as Gege go talk am. All I have to tell you is, allow Sunday Igbo to actually go out and fish out these Fulani bandits or whatever in the bush. Allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to go and fish out bandits in their bush, and allow other state governors to do the same thing, to fish out Fulani bandits in the bush. Because the reality is, at this point in time, is obviously established that the Fulani Janjaweeds, just like in the words of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, are the ones doing this. There's no doubt about that. But the fact now is, are there Nigerian Fulanis? Yes, they are. Is it the Nigerian Fulanis that are doing this? No, they are not. How do you distinguish between these two? Let me tell you a quick story. Allah, from when I was small in Adamawa State, we know the difference between Nigerian Fulanis and Janjaweeds that are imported. And this is the same Janjaweeds that are imported by some of these radical scholars, some of these people with left Islamic ideology. Left, because not right Islamic ideology. Because we can't put it that Islam is just the bad thing or whatever. There are people with these left ideologies, and they are subscribing to the services of these people from Chad, Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso. Look at what Burkina Faso is facing at the moment. It's the same thing. I am telling you, you need to put a structure. And if you put a structure, the likes of them Igbo, the likes of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and all other state governors, I am telling you, they will accommodate the Nigerian Fulanis, give them a befitting accommodation with good identity. Because a good Nigerian Fulani in Nigeria now, I'm telling you, have spent nothing less than 30 years in Nigeria. And the community know them. And the Fulanis are the kind of people that they stay with their group, with their family. Everybody know them. They have Ardo. And the communities can identify the Ardos and give them a place to stay. And they will know them. And these radicals that are imported from the Sahels, Allah give these people the go ahead. Because I am telling you, it seems these people have even infiltrated some part of the arms of government or whatever, and they are the ones sponsoring these things. So I'm not telling you this because of next election, but for the betterment of Nigeria. These people need to be fished out. And don't expect official pronouncement or official structures to fish them out. Because over time, they have grown wings even in the official arm of the government. And that is why they subscribe to their services. Look at it now. Under Jonathan, bring back our girls. Under your turn now is bring back our children. And that is how it's going to go. Till you are able to take the giant steps of the likes of them Ibrahim Traore. Allah, you will never get it right. These people are mercenaries. Mercenaries from all over the world. And do you know why the Fulani is one of the easiest language you can use to perpetuate this evil? Because they are scattered the whole all over West Africa. Possibly globally safe. They are scattered. So wherever they come in and they speak Fulani, Allah people believe that they say they are Fulanis and they are part of us. Allah, they are not part of us. And tightening your grip in regards citizenship. It's just unfortunate. In the armed forces, there's what we call, whenever a new person takes over a command, the number one thing that he tries to know is the number of the strength of his men. What is your strength? What is the strength of your men in Nigeria today? You are still running with estimated population. Even with the NIN was corrupted, polluted. that accommodated a lot of people that are not indigenous. And that is the reality. So till you are able to take these giant steps, when you take these giant steps, those other tiny individuals, those fanatics that exist in Nigeria now will be an easy work. Even with politicians that are trying to antagonize you, it will be an easy work. But as long as you think that the military or the police will solve this problem, Allah, you are a joker. Even after you, anybody that is coming back is going to remain a joker. Allah, allow local problems to local solutions. I tell you that Nigerian Fulanis, anybody can stay with them in peace, Allah, without any issue. But these people are imported machineries to come and cause havoc because they don't have a place of their own. Allah, but if you think it's a joke, keep playing. Deploy military, deploy police, and keep thinking that that is going to bring about a solution. Allah, till you apply local problems to local solutions, local solutions to local problems, you are not going to get anything. But if you think it's a joke, continue. Allah, this janjaweed in the watch of Mazim Nandika, this janjaweed, Allah will finish everybody. Allow people to deploy local solutions. Let them census this. Let them account for the local Fulanis, accommodate them, and all these radicals wandering in the bush. And this even brings us to the issue of the road safety. Look at their easy means of transportation in regards to all this kidnapping now is bike. And most of the bikes are not registered. And let's talk about even the cars that are registered or whatever in Nigeria. Is there a central data to show that this thing belongs to this person at this point in time? Why should we have people? Kai.
Dear friends, I don't know why the government of Enugu State do a form of forest guards. Form which are where commander the forest guard when you're Yoruba. No Yoruba ne behind Igbo. Ka this guy na abamba here. Only use one ka this guy Igbo. Or when abamba na abasimba yike. Nde ba etunenia or the mma.
Otelam na Chi made this particular video. But it's all because I've been very, very much busy and engaged with the things. Peter Ndubi saying, but the governor of Enugu State, we're only in the forest guard in Enugu. Nyonye Yoruba. Okay, we are how. Because of who only the credible, or who only the qualified, in the forest guard in Enugu State today. Among all of you, who only the qualified, in a forest guard commander Enugu. Okay, we are able ninja no brondera and there. Oto akejiri. Actually, in a contract, award that contract, smart school, to onye Yoruba, Suji Moto, okay? I think that's the name. But all of you in the Enugu, onye the credible, onye the fit to take on this particular task for the people of Enugu State or for the governor. But if you are here, you will be siding this government. Onye Yoruba nyere commander forest guard. Kerubo kerimo ya kere forest no nuzu wane oma. Keri forest oma riye koro. Oma ravanaga. Oma rekwozara. Oma ragbaeko. The same thing to other communities in Enugu, different local governments in Enugu State. Kebomar, how can you give direct order? How can you stop all these people, Luna, torment our people in the bush? Kama yenye, onye bani, onye Enugu State, machara, neni, the looks and cranny. If you follow here, since where this way I'm coming out, if we see Ishaba, they be aputa, ejejiria. But here are the mundo team, data boys. And you do good for our job. Yes, we are not good for our job. But we are good na eating. Sunday boho off flag out now. When we're security this thing no whip now. Now when you boba inje bronishi that security outfit oh whip now can combat that terrorist in on west. Only Igbo ba ije. Okay, who knows slave masters being all these people what they are doing. I see no justification in taking our job to another person when you have people that can actually do it in Enugu. But when Kuru now, I sing here. So where's the credible Enugu? And where's the engineer Enugu? Yeah? Nnamdi Kanu Kurieku, he said it. It's only Yoruba person that can save Yoruba people. It's only an Hausa person that can save Hausa people. Oh, Igbo, be save Igbo. You cannot bring someone from Yoruba to come and look after our bush, to be commander. Could you actually bring command? I'm asking you. What Oshani Nedi Channel Zara? Eh? Oshani Nedina Udi. All these places. Na Ukehe. Imarosha no chade. But a well commander Nyegi. Commander should be somebody that is that competent. So where is the competent person in Enugu? And where is Enugu the competent to take that particular office? Okay, who data boys, here are the moon. You don't have shame, you don't have regard for the people. Because Nina support Peter and Ba. You cannot say the truth, the simple truth, and shame the devil. Things are going on. Things are going bad in Enugu. People are suffering. But we are bent on only siding him because of the little things you are getting, or because of the little, the good part. J-John the Melero in the past. J-John people who in the past, your colleagues, them, they didn't end well. None of them, they end well. They cannot end well because you are against the people. You don't say the truth. You cannot say the truth and shame the devil. And that's the difference between me and you. I cannot go, I can never, any day I will go against my people. Let me die. I cannot go against my people, against the will of the people. No. And the good part again, because I'm not a politician. Even if I will venture into politics, it's not now. Yes, maybe at the long run I will venture into politics. But for me to be at the side of the oppressed or oppressors, I can never. I will only speak for my people. That's the difference between me and you. Here are they, Migi. Things are going wrong. Onye for our jobs. When you cannot become a commander or forest guard, when you cannot become an engineer or a contractor that will oversee a particular contract. Go and check. How many jobs can you rendi buy? Ka head down a Lagos State.
Ụmụnne m nekwa n'anya, our sister ka na-ekwukwa ofu okwu a ihe kpatara some people ji wee na-fight Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mgbe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bidosiri. Right now na ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu since ya mbụ ihe na-emesi kịta. The same way na according to her, people si wee na-fight kwa VDM, and very soon they will still know the importance of very dark man to our society. According to our sister, listen to her.
I'm seeing Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's pictures flying everywhere. People are now praising him at these critical moments. My darlings, please hold your praises. Hold your praises. It's not needed anymore. It's not needed because I could remember when they captured this man from outside. Most of you were happy. I knew that I was among people who went to Federal High Court. I've been to Federal High Court once for his case. Yes, I've been there. I've been using my platform to speak. Then, I could remember the midnight I woke up. I started crying because of the sake of this man. I'm like, let's listen to this man. Let's listen. Then I'm not like using this in social media like this. I kept on praying for this man because I sensed truth in what this man was saying. I love people who stood for everybody, who fight for freedom. Most of you Igbo people that are looking at me, we are against him. Should I talk about Hausans? Should I talk about Yorubas who were against this man? I'm calling on you, Adeze, from Delta. I could remember, you're my friend, but I could remember when I was telling you about this man. He said, what rubbish, that you are an Igbo, we can never support him, that he's a terrorist. Now we have seen the real terrorist. I'm surprised that even Yorubas to say, release Maazị Nnamdi. It's now you guys work up. But then, this man were calling on this thing, mentioning some things. This man called Udele from, I don't know where he's coming from. I blasted this man in my inbox. I went there. He was following me. And I was following him. I blocked him. Whenever he want to talk, if he didn't mention my name, he will not rest. I went there. I blasted him. He got me blocked. What is happening? Does all these things this man said not coming to pass? When he was fighting for his people to go, he fought because it seems he has seen future. What is going on in our country? I've said this time without number. I don't support things anyhow. Anything I should say, point out that this thing meant something. Something good in this. If you want, don't believe me. The same thing you guys have started in my VDM. I called you people. This guy is brave. He's bashing. He bring pointing out where government is not doing it right. He's not insulting them, but he's trying to point out where they're not doing it right. Even if he had fought you over what you are doing, do not use because of that and condemn him or talk bad about him. If you're a good person, when somebody condemn over what you did, you know the person fighting for national stuff, join hands. But people refused. I'm calling on God to always protect me and my family and those who be, if any of my family does not stand for what I'm standing. They are not seeing what I'm seeing. To hell with them. If you're my friend, you don't see what I see. You support evil. To hell with you. I drank 5 good times before this thing. I drank. Well, if you see blood, you see the dream I saw 5 good times 2 years ago, last year. What I saw, it has not started coming. I am telling you guys the honest truth. What I saw, all these ones are Genesis. See everyone running up and down. God will keep protecting his people. If you want to stay there and be waiting for influencers and celebrities to speak on your behalf, don't use your small page to talk. Keep advertising your business. Keep using your whenever VDM talk on. You see, I'm standing for VDM because I knew my conscience is not telling me bad about him. The same thing you guys did with Mas Namdekon, that's the same thing you guys are doing with this guy. None of you could stand bravely to speak the way this young guy is speaking. See how he just posted when he's coming back. Can you do it? I knew a lot of people that said, "Don't stop talking, or stop talking. You know, you go to these places and all these places. Stop talking so that they will not do you harm." Anything. I knew calls I received. Do you think it's easy? And this young man, VDM is fighting for this. The same thing now, they kind of started there and you guys called him a fool. You guys have started it with VDM. Instead of you two, I saw one stupid person that said VDM is our problem. Where is the NGO? You're talking about NGO in these critical moments. You're talking about the brothers opening business in China in these critical moments. Do you have sense? Even if that guy eats the whole NGO, is that supposed to bother you? What's your problem? You guys don't think alike with me. That's why everything about this gun is paining me. Our people are the bush. Look at what is going on. Now I can't even condemn military men. Rather, I pray for them. Because they are unaliving them on a daily basis. They are killing these people. They are trying their best to protect us. Even politicians, it's not easy for them. Most of them, some of them meant well. So instead of you to put hands together, let's fight. Use your small page. Dear Heavenly Father, I've been speaking, I've been talking, I've been doing the one I could do. For that little thing I've been doing, protect me. Protect those, my family, protect my friends. Protect my friend, protect my future man. I am telling you, because all these things, it's crazy. It's crazy. See, everyone is carrying masks and the kind of picture everywhere. But when you have the opportunity to stand on right, you can't. You'll be misbehaving because it has not gotten to your turn. God knew how he does things. He knew it. That's one thing I love about him. Keep create content. Some people have taken advantage of all these things for an engagement. Just do not stand on your feet. Do not start creating awareness. The only person that could help in this situation is God, because politicians, security men, it's not easy for them. It's not easy for them at this critical moment. Your word could save you. What you stand for could save you. Keep creating content. Now you do business pass.
Let me tell you what happened again in Lagos. This son, Joe Igbo aka record appreciate na Ladipo. Joe Igbo went to Ladipo market in Lagos I don't know if he wants to buy something or if he wants to go and visit his friend, according to him, because he later said something concerning this incident. Igbo boys, Chorekoya PCs, because Joe Igbo is one of the people that were fighting Mazi Nnamdi that time. When Mazi Nnamdi was arrested, or when he was kidnapped and brought down to Nigeria, Joe Igbo was one of the Igbo people that went on social media praising the government of Buhari then, thanking him for arresting Mazi Nnamdi. I want to let you guys know why many Igbos hate Joe Igbo. That is for our newcomers that may not actually know who Joe Igbo is. He's one of the Anambra business man living in Lagos. He based in Lagos that is fighting Mazi Nnamdi from onset. Something that is going to happen to Ijele. You know why Udeneji were recorded to free more bata and Igbo buna Udeneji in the security we naga. I am an boys out to be Utuaka. Abo na obere boys akage to Udene Utuaka. Udoko Utuaka actually to Joe Igbo here. Before chairman on the security, chairman on the Imai Haladipo were saved for what we got in the internet. Oh yes.
My name is yesterday I went to Nollywood to buy some spare parts for my Bible. And as I was going around to look for the parts, some people were calling me, some people were just pointing fingers at me. Some were saying something. I quickly ignored them. And then I went in search of what I wanted. And I saw the parts and I went to my vehicle where I packed it to fix it. And before I know it, people they started gathering. Those Nollywood boys started, some of them were gathering. I said, Joe Igbo, this is Joe Igbo, this is Joe Igbo. So you can come to this market. Joe Igbo, this, Joe Igbo, this, that. I just ignored them. And they started, they were coming, and I decided to move away from that place. I went to my friend's shop. Then I was there. And my friend went to call the leadership of the market. All of them came. And then one day I said, let me just go. I told them that I want to go. And I came outside. When I came outside, I saw a lot of people, a lot of them talking. Everybody's talking, saying all kinds of things. I didn't say anything. I just drove away. So this morning I woke up, went through my Facebook page. I was seeing all kinds of stories. Joe Igbo was beaten, nobody beaten. This is me life. Did I look at somebody? They cannot do it in Lagos. There are things you cannot do here. You can go to Southeast and be doing the rubbish you can do in there, and the shame that you have brought to us over the years, but not in Lagos. I pray that it will not happen again. I know what to do. I remember when we came to campaign in Ladip a few years back, when Fashola was there. These boys went and removed the side mirror of his official vehicle. These boys, and we left them. Yesterday they repeated the same, tried to do the same thing again. I said, only one. This is Lagos. This is Lagos. This is Lagos. Be careful. This is Lagos. And I'm going to stop it there. So nothing happened to me. I'm okay. Nobody touched me. Nobody even near me came to my face. Nobody did that. This is just to put the record straight. People have been calling me. They can't do it in Lagos. If they do it in Lagos, they will collect. I tell you, they will collect. That market, they may not see that market in the next 1 year. Nobody will trade. Nobody will go into that place.
Our brother here, Akawago, makandi fake pastors, Soludo Jido in Anambra State. Only obodo here na Akawa, ka everything knows wega. Some of them, the Parakoti, when I snack a had the ocha, and one come behind you, bro, fake pastor. Mana, any hati 15th of this month. Ka ekpegharịkwuo dị ikpe again 15th of June ịghọtago ka ekpegharịkwa dị ikpe again ka e marazie n'aka ha ọcha na n'aka ha na-adịghị ọcha. Thank you Biafrans, thank you everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Gist TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.
Ịma na ị nọ na Anambra steeti kịta uche gị dị ya Soludo a na-asụkwachi na nke ikpeazụ a Soludo wezụga onye osende na nke ikpeazụ a Soludo chịkọrọ ndị fake pastors jee court ime miracle kịta ị akọwa ya na Government House igwe onye isi ị akọwa na Government House. Soludo gwara uru na ịchọ ime miracle gị bịa ama akụ ndị na-emeli miracle ka nkụ mgbe anyị na-ekwu all those things asị na anyị na-agba ụka mgba nye obidogoro from ndị dibịa asọ gị na-akpọtu ekuru na-akpọtu mmụọ mmiri afụla anya na mmụọ mmiri zoro ezo na mmụọ mmiri gọọmenti kpọile gị ịmarụkwa na agwụ amaghọ gị ịmarụ na onwe ha arụ nsị kpọọ gị ịmarụ na Chineke akpọghọ gị biko chọọ fon bido sola anyị mebe kọntent agbara Soludo abịa arrest na ndị kọntent nwere ihe anyị na-eme kọntent ka anyị na-eme ịmarụ na Chineke akpọghọ gị thou says the Lord of hosts ndị chọọchị abrakata abra ịma na ị na-arụ dibịa na agwụ amaghọ gị na ịmaghị ihe atụnyere ọkụkọ n'anya na iji na-egbu ndị mmadụ chandum biko doriko gote fon gote tripod stand bịa mma kụziri gị ka esi eme kọntent maka Soludo kpalụ gị aka ị ya akpọkwa God of Elijah ka ọ bịa zaa gị ị ya akpọkwa Robin agụ gị ka ọ bịa zaa gị Soludo ada asụkwa achị na Anambra steeti kịta because the rate eji emepe church the rate eji ama akwacha ukwu arụsị amazi ndị bụ real na ndị bụ fake. Soludo akpọrigoro ndị pastors now ịma na obido with ndị dibịa people bịa kwube kọgharị solid dibịa and I'm of the opinion kọgharị ka the one-sidedness ịghọtago include go ndị fake pastors so eme ga arrest ihe egosi gọọmenti mgbe Chineke kpọọ gị wada na MTN ka Glo ka eti salat ka Chineke ji kpọọ gị ka Chineke akpọọ gị ka Elijah Samuel say here my Lord send me say ya kọwa ka Chineke si kpọọ gị the means of the communication Chineke ji wee kpọọ gị ka ịrọkọta teta ụla jee mepee chọọchị jee babia afa ka ịrọkọta achọ arụsị jee gbada akwa agwa mood from onset onye mma I don't believe in religion, man. I believe in humanity. I don't believe in anything religion is man-made. I believe in humanity. Love yourself as your neighbor. Humadi begin anya ndị ye help will help. Fuck religion, man. Any religion at all. Fuck it. So you never pastor keta. As a put on your notice, oh, from the horse's mouth. Soludo ada asakwa ache na nke ikpeazụ a.